Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel and Rvssian is about to drop the song of the summer, at least. That's what Vybz Kartel and Rvssian promised, right? Vybz Kartel and Rvssian, they gave us some preview on how the song was made and everything, and the song sound extremely well. And this is a juggling, so this is a Rvssian production, storybooks rhythm. You have Massacre on it, Vybz Kartel, and we don't know as yet which other artist is on it. So let's check out this song and see if this is truly the song of the summer. And you know what I mean? Yeah, let's kick it off. Kartel are going with a bag of things.
From blood clot, yesterday me I call a phone, and you can't answer the phone. Yo, are you real them on? I deal with you. What? Fuck you. You're a bitch. Okay. You're a dog shit. And I love you.
So right off the bat, the song have one of them, saucy type of thing that whenever a song starts with a voice note of a female. Remember the last voice note with a female, and Vybz Kartel say, listen to the voice note here. And she said, yo, me tell you about the boy and the Ray. And he said, freaky girl, them me love. And then you have many other dancehall artists who incorporate voice note into them song, and it always hit. And the girl upset right now. I say, yo, from last night she call him phone, Ray Kartel say, yo, you're a bitch, you're a Ray, you're a dog shit. But guess what? Me still love you. You see me?
Last night, fucking on your throat all night. Tell us on your boom boom tight. Kick it in the gear and rev it like a G-Wagon. Take it for a ride. No worry about your man tonight. No, I show the money alright. It makes it sad, I bring the light.
So right there and then, Vybz Kartel say, yo, last night we're going with a bag of things, you know what I mean? And even though you have your man, you still a look for me, if you do certain things. She have her man, but guess what? She still have to mess with the G. You see me? And Kartel say, yo, alright then. We have arguments just as if we're in a real relationship, but guess what? I just say go.
People sweet, your body cute. We love is like one for the storybooks. Wake up me vibes with your pussy juice. I'm in need you like me desperate. So me and you, we fuck to that. I'm in need you like me desperate. Me believe in you, boo. All anytime you want it, boo. This movie be starring you. You are the star in my private room. Money when me give you 30% of my budget. You better rub down me balls and suck it on nipple sweet.
Pay things Kartel are going out, Kartel I say, yo, me have the money to spend on you. Just call me anytime you want it. Bruise up, you know what I mean? And me need you like me desperate. So right now me in need of you like flour. Yeah. You see me? Me need her, me desperate for you right now. You see me? Are you me call whenever me need that something there. And anytime you need the bruising, and me your call. And me go spend money for you so you know so you're safe, you know so you govern, you know so everything nice. You know what I mean? Me I do things for you where your boyfriend nah do for you. You see me? Me as a side man, me I do more for you than what your boyfriend could have even think of. You see me? But guess what? We have the money and me have you, so me not even watch that. You see me? Yeah, man.
Your body cute. We love is like one for the storybooks. Wake up me vibes with your pussy juice. Me body spray champagne honeymoon. I'm in need you like me desperate. So me believe in you, boo. Drunk up, like shit.
So this song is basically storybook. So basically we are right with story, but guess what? We are right with story in a way where you have your man, but me still I deal with you, you still a deal with me, and we are do it. Me need to like me desperate, and me I spend money upon you, and we are you're my boo. You get me? So it's not a real relationship. It's a hiding and a side piece and a side man type of business. But guess what? We still approach it like say, yo, you're my official woman. You see me? So it's a good song. You know what I mean? If I be 100% honest, I was expecting, I would say, a bit more a bit more to the concept of the song, to the concept of the whole storybooks. You know what I mean? The song start off extremely well. May I call you this, that. How come you not answer Rvssian Kartel? I say, yo, last night, you know, down in your throat all night and all these other things. And then, you know, the song progress. But in the middle of the song is where me did actually lost. You see me? Where the story did not necessarily continue to tell a story. It just went somewhere else where it probably should have been. That's just my opinion. You see me? But I just one of them song there. If this song will be a hit song, I don't know. It could be. It could be. But me hear the Massacre song and the rhythm, and me feel like say Massacre probably I gonna have more to say on the rhythm. And if Rvssian decide to put Cranium, Valiant, Niger Boy, or them other artists there on the rhythm, you know, that would have nice up the rhythm same way. But Kartel a lead out storybook rhythm, storybook song, Vybz Kartel, Rvssian. Long time we don't have a Vybz Kartel and Rvssian you know, in a music video. The last time was Vybz Kartel and Rvssian in Straight Jeans and Fitted, and that was one of Vybz Kartel's biggest song, you know what I mean, and big songs, Straight Jeans and Fitted. You see me, you know, whenever Vybz Kartel and Rvssian come together, them always, you know, deliver with some great production, some great songs. But yeah, as me say, good song, and I was expecting just a tiny bit more. You see me? But big up Vybz Kartel, big up Rvssian. You don't know. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed. And if you watch the video down to this part, let me know what you think about the Vybz Kartel and Mavado link up, because again, in my opinion, Vybz Kartel and Mavado should actually have a song for themselves. Whenever the DJ Khaled song come out, if that song should actually do numbers and actually, you know, debut on the Billboard Hot 100 and all these other things, you know, giving authentic dancehall the break. You don't need to switch up nothing or change nothing. You just give it to them raw. You see me? Just like how Shensi and Skillibeng give it to them raw and shake it to the max, and it become the #1 song in the world. You see me? So I just one of them things there. So big up Kartel, big up Rvssian. You don't know. That is the video for today. Out.